Push it again. There you go. Go ahead, Soph. Is that funny? Is that agua for Sophie? What's she drinking, Gio? Was that funny? Gio. Is that funny? Gio, how old are you? 2. 2, that's right. Gio, what does the doggy say? What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the monkey say? Uh-huh. What about the lion? Oh, good one. Gio, I love you. I love you. Do you love your auntie? Gio, do you love auntie? Yeah. Okay, what's Sophie doing? Oh, Rose.